So for this video, we'll be replacing the front shock on a MantisX Plus. We're gonna need a number of tools: 6mm Allen wrench, 5mm Allen wrench, 2.5mm Allen wrench, and a crescent wrench. So first, start by loosening the top side of the shock absorber. Go ahead and loosen it. And once that's loose, you're going to need a small mallet to push out the other side, and that'll push out the screws that's holding the other side. Go ahead and remove the front suspension screws that's holding the top, and go ahead and just gently push it out. You might have to give it a small push. Actually, just keep it loose like this. And then the next step is to grab a 6mm Allen wrench and remove the front axle. And you're gonna need two 6mm on each side to prevent counter rotation. So go ahead and remove that. Yeah, make sure this is removed. And once that's removed, keep this axle in place. Use a 2.5mm to remove the front fender, only on the right side. Like so. Once the two screws are removed, go ahead and use a crescent wrench to remove the left side of the bolt. This is the wheel axle bolt. Alright, go ahead and set that aside. Once that's done, go ahead and remove the axle screw here. You can do it gently. Might take a little bit of force, but that gets removed, like so. Once that's removed, the left side of the bolt, the swing arm should just come out. Go ahead and remove that. And from this point, you can go ahead and remove the suspension. And you can do that by gently applying an upward force and using a small screw here to remove it. And it's important to keep those things dismounted. Okay. And now you have removed the front suspension. Go ahead and grab your replacement suspension and reverse the process, like so. Insert the top piece. It's important to reverse it in the correct order. Use your upper suspension mounting pin. Make sure you slide it in. Once that's in, go ahead and secure it on the other side. And use a rubber hammer or something to push those in all the way. Once that's done, use the screw on one side and secure the top suspension axle screw and make sure those are tight. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. And next, use one side of the swing arm and fit those in, and it should go in very smoothly, like so, like so. And once that's in place, next you have to secure the swing arm axle, and you might have to adjust the wheel slightly to make sure it goes in all the way. And once that's in place, go ahead and use a rubber hammer to just gently push it in, and make sure it goes in nicely on the other side, like so. All right. Okay. Make sure you don't lose any screws here. Once the axle is in, go ahead and use the screw that came out from the other side of the axle screw, and mount the axle to the screw so they're very secure. And it's important to make sure that this point is tight. This is what gives stability. Once you're satisfied with that, go ahead and secure the wheel axle bolt. You can use a crescent wrench. And make sure this is very tight as well. And lastly, use the 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench to secure the front fender. Just like that. Okay, and that concludes the front suspension replacement.